I got rid of the bench seat and installed these Mustang seats to hold me in and sit me in here really nice, except for the fact that I can no longer get to the brake pedal. I'm not gonna go buy an aftermarket brake pedal for this. I have no reason to do that. I have a brake pedal that works and functions. We need to figure out how we're gonna modify the one that's in the truck to make it work. Not sure how we're gonna get from point A to point B yet. No, I know how we're gonna get to point A to point B really fast. We're just not gonna stop when we get to point B. We're just gonna right through everything. And you know what? It's sitting in the truck isn't helping, so time to get that thing out of there. That was surprisingly easy to take out. I got another can of creative juice for you guys because I need your help figuring out what to do with this because I don't know. Well, if I cut it and I re-weld it, then what if I cut it, weld it, and reinforce it with a big heavy piece of... I got it. I'm gonna heat it and I'm gonna bend it. Hey Google, how do I fix F100 brake pedal? To hell with this. I'm gonna get some pie. Pie is the answer! I'm not crazy. There's no test out there to prove that I'm crazy. So by cutting the pie out of this, I'll be able to bend this pie-shaped close, which will in turn move this pedal back. Now I need to take just a little bit at a time because a little bit here translates to a lot out here. So I'm gonna torch this, bend it closed, see how it fits, and then if I need to trim out more, I'll trim out more. Let me cut a little V-groove in this so that way it gets good penetration from the welder. It's pretty thick. I want to make sure I get solid penetration, that way this thing does not break. A few days since I had a chance to work on the truck, but that's because I broke the truck. So everybody keeping track at home, I fixed the truck, broke the truck, took the truck apart to fix the truck, which ended up breaking the truck again. Got it? Good, because I have no idea what I'm doing anymore. Pedals all painted, all nice, neat, welded it up nice, solid, so it's not breaking anytime, because this thing is ridiculously stiff. Oh my god. Thickest brake pedal ever! So what I actually ended up breaking was this. Now all this isn't the broken one. This is the broken one. It's supposed to look like that. See the problem? All this is a bushing that goes in the pivot point here, where the rod, calm down ladies and guys out there, because this rod, not that rod, slides in here and it's pivots. Well, without that little plastic piece on there, ain't no worky, and this doesn't fit in here very well anymore either. So, the new parts came. New parts, yes. Oh, that cut me. How the hell did that cut me? In here now. Oh, yay, it's made my life so much easier now. Because the old one. So, this is very phallic, I didn't even think about this. Okay, this fits so much better than the old one, which... Hey, it came off. While I was at it, ordered myself a new rubber stopper. If this goes up here, because the old one was a brick. Where's the one to go? Get in the hole. In. Look at my amazing clutch pedal. Shing. Clean cut. Nice. It's nice that they left me enough to be able to weld a new pedal on if I want to, because I didn't mind if this one would break, cut like this and re-weld it if I needed to, because if it broke, I just don't move anywhere. If this breaks, I slam into things. See the problem? Why they want to cut all the way through this thing? Let's go put this bad boy back in. Boop. Oh, so much better. Plenty of travel. Still can't hit the floorboard with it. I left a little bit of a gap between the two because, for two reasons. One, I'm eventually going to put a actual gas pedal on here, a little, not just a little nub that it is now. So there's going to be a height difference, going to bring it up some, and I also want a little bit of difference so I don't accidentally step on one or the other. I know what I'm stepping on. I mean, I doubt I'm going to do that, but panic situation, you never know what's going to happen. Let's test. Do the brakes still work? Yes. Yeah, she is so much easier to drive now, so woo! Win. That's it for today. Go work on your own cars. Till next time. Peace.